Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in white, driving on 18-inch wheels, and some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes fog lights, a backup camera, power sliding doors, along with a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here, has our lock and unlock button. The Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, it's as easy as putting your hand inside the door handle. Now in the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. You do have a blind spot monitoring system inside the side mirror. Inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray leather seating. Some of the features you have next to the door includes your parking assist, where you can turn those sensors on and off, along with your blind spot monitoring system, where you can turn that on and off. And lastly, up top, you do also get a power moonroof. On the steering wheel, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, along with your audio controls. You have your cruise control behind here on the right side. You also have these buttons on the right, or these arrows, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display, where you can also see the Sienna has 67,428 kilometers on it. Now, taking a look at our screen here, right now we are on the home screen, where it will display any audio that's playing, along with any device that's connected. You have a nice little split screen for your navigation map here as well. You also have your standard AM and FM. You have choices for CD, USB, and auxiliary, and you can always connect your phone through Bluetooth. Now, going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Underneath is the climate control. It is a tri-zone climate control system. So up front, it is a dual zone. You can adjust the temperatures on both sides, and you have this little dial for the temperature in the back. On the very bottom, you have some storage and cup holders. You have an extra set in here as well. Next to the extra set, you have your USB and auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, and your heated seats. Now, like I mentioned, this Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we can hold that third button on our key fob. Now, if we take a look inside here, we are continuing with the gray leather behind the front passenger and driver's seats. You have some extra storage compartments, and the second row seats do fold down. There's a little handle on the bottom. If you pull that upwards, the second row seats will fold, giving you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your heated front seats, tri-zone climate control system, a moonroof, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.